Good afternoon, families and students of Mahogany Rise Primary School.
We're back.
We're back.
We are back.
Hey, here we
we're loving
go.
it.
We are back for another episode of The Hog.
The Hog. That's what we called it, didn't we, in the
I think
end?
that's what we ended up calling it.
That's all right.
We have had such an amazing week of remote and flexible learning. What are some of the things? Tuesday night, how good was that?
Tuesday night, bedtime story night, absolutely sensational. I
Yep.
heard, was it Nicholas Ickle rocked up to a bedtime story?
I
the
heard
other
this.
night?
I was unavailable,
Yeah.
but I did hear that Nicholas Ickle showed up. That was
Great
interesting.
to
You
see.
read the wrong book. And then, of course, Wednesday.
The whole
Wednesday
school
morning.
Google Meet. And if you didn't manage to get on this week, next week, the same time, 9:30, the whole school Google Meet with the Kahoot, led by
Yep.
Miss Ward. Absolutely
Miss
love
Ward's
it.
famous Kahoot. It's
Yeah.
going viral, guys. Absolutely. So be there. We've had so much fabulous learning that's been taking place as well. I voted on the motion picture.
Yeah, stop motion.
Stop motion. That was unbelievable seeing those fabulous films. And our awards this week are all about being a learner. So should we jump straight into it, Maz?
I reckon we get straight into it, Mr. Schneider.
He's not wearing fun socks, so he doesn't want to do the fun sock thing.
He wasn't supposed to
He's
say
not
that.
wearing them. All right,
happy.
what have you got for us? You got some foundies, or is that me?
You've got the foundations this week, Mr. Schneider.
All right, this week for being a learner goes to Gara Grant. Gara, your dedication to your learning is amazing. I think we should just read them, shouldn't
I
we?
think so.
You complete all activities regularly, attend Google Meet sessions, and are an enthusiastic participant in whole school Google Meets. Well done, Gara. And the other Be a Learner Award for Foundation is Phoenix Oldham. Well done, Phoenix. You've worked so hard at home to complete all your learning and should be very proud of yourself. Your dedication to whole school events and book week is commendable. Well done with your Rainbow Dash dress up.
Pretty
You dressed
cool.
up on Wednesday.
I did
too,
dress
didn't
up,
you?
yeah, the blue crayon.
The blue.
Can you read that book, The Day the Crayons Quit? Absolute cracker.
All right. And what have you got? Have you got some 1-2s?
I've got some 1-2s.
All right.
I've got Harry Morgan this week for getting online and joining the Google Meets and having a go at all set tasks on Seesaw. So well done there to Mr. Harry Morgan. I've also got Phoenix Day for always joining the Google Meets with a smile and smashing out the Seesaw tasks.
Love that.
Great job there, Phoenix. For 1-2C, I've got Lacey Roper for joining in with most of our Google Meets and giving online learning an absolute crack, having her best shot. Well done there, Lacey. 1-2C, I've got another one here for Lexi Brown for attending all of our Google Meets and going above and beyond in all of her online learning. Well done on your efforts this week, Lexi. Great stuff.
1-2s. Fabulous. I've got the 3-4s. This Be a Learner Award goes to Levy in 3-4. It has been such a joy to see you online this week. We are so proud of the effort that you have put in and your positive attitude. Well done. And I saw Levy online this week too. Absolutely fabulous to see. Sonia in 3-4D. Well done, Sonia. The way that you have adapted to online learning is something to be very proud of. I love the way that you have a go and use your persistence. Keep it up. Another 3-4 Be a Learner Award goes to Emily. Thank you, Emily, for being on time and ready for your online learning. You log in each day and are organised with materials that you need for each lesson. Well done, Emily, from Mrs. Gunstone. Another 3-4 award, Be a Learner, Jensen. Fabulous, Jensen. Always trying your best, especially during lockdown. You've demonstrated our school value of being a learner and doing your best. Congratulations. Well done to those 3-4 award recipients.
Great job, guys. I'll jump now into 5-6G. The Be a Learner this week is to Sean Brown. Thank you for your contribution to our Google Meets. Mrs. Barry and I are very, very grateful. So great job there, Mr. Sean Brown. The other 5-6G award this week goes to Amber Thomas. Amber, your active participation is very much appreciated. Your confidence your confidence helps encourage your peers to be brave and contribute to the discussion. Thank you, Amber. Great job there. Now I'll sneak over to Mrs. Barry's grade in 5-6F. This week's award goes to Tiani Withers. Tiani, you've become so much more confident during our online lessons, and I could not be any more prouder. You are so motivated and your contributions to our lessons are so appreciated. You made the best Cruella DeVille ever. There we go. For Book Week, you are just amazing in every way. Keep being you, Tiani. Great
And
stuff.
Tiani won one of the stop motion awards.
She did. Great
Unbelievable.
job. I've got Zoe Day here as well. So Zoe, you've taken remote learning in your stride and you've been an absolute role model for all our students each lesson. Your effort, persistence, motivation and enthusiasm is beyond amazing and you should be very proud. I certainly am. Keep being you, Zoe. Great job. And now there's another one here, Mr. Schneider.
What?
Another one. Mrs. Barry sneaking a third one in. Great job there, Mrs. Barry. This one goes to Caden White. It may have taken a few phone calls, but you have made such an amazing effort with remote learning this week. You've applied yourself, asked for help when needed, and even kept your witty sense of humour in keeping us all laughing. Great job there, Caden. Well done, mate.
Good on you, Caden. And I know how hard it can be. I've got 3 kids at home, and trying to get them online, it's such hard work, and trying to keep them motivated. So fabulous to see Caden and the rest of the guys doing all of this great work. We go over to the Specialist Awards. Physical Education Award this week goes to Mia in 5-6F for her consistent effort at completing all PE tasks during remote learning. Keep up the great efforts. Well done. Oh, an art award. I don't think there's an art award that's not been awarded to this particular student.
Yeah, of course.
This award goes to Amber Thomas for her amazing drawing of Cat in the Hat for Book Week. Well done, Amber. I love seeing your artwork. Another art award goes to Reese for his amazing book character drawing of Captain Underpants. Well done, Reese. And we have another award, for a Be a Learner award, to Kobe, working with Mr. Shanks in grade 3-4. Kobe has shown a determined attitude to improving his work with money this week. Interesting. Kobe has enjoyed engaging in imaginative play as a shopkeeper and has demonstrated a good understanding of adding and subtracting money. Well done, Kobe. We got any more?
We've got 2 more here, Mr. Schneider. One of them's a PE award, and that goes to Damien Oldham in 1-2C for his consistent effort at completing his online PE tasks. Amazing effort there, Damien. And we've got an intervention award as well.
Love it.
Goes to our great mate, Mr. Andrew Prado in 1-2B. Andrew's consistently participated in his online lessons and is prepared for each class. You are being really responsible for your learning, and it's an absolute joy having you in my intervention class. Great job, Mr. Prado. Well done, mate.
Well done, Andrew, and to all of the people who received certificates today. We do hear in the middle of next week about what lockdown looks like, whether it's extended or whether it's lifted. Please listen to the announcement. That's bad timing, but we'll keep going. That's how we roll.
Got to let it roll.
So hopefully by Tuesday or Wednesday next week, we'll be able to communicate what the extension or lifting of restrictions look like later on in the week. But in the meantime, guys, we're just so proud of the interaction and engagement that you're all showing with your Google meetings and the work that you're doing. Keep up the great work, and hopefully we see you back on site soon. Cheers.
See you guys.